EO as a whole is committed to supporting the next generation of entrepreneurs and give a platform for recognition and engagement. Not only have you taken a leap to become an entrepreneur, but one dedicated so early in your life to becoming the best you can be, and that is an inspiration not just to our organization, but to the world.
We had 51 different nationalities representing their countries as the top studentpreneurs in their country.
My business is called Copycat, and it's a printing service at the college.
Connect Here provides sign language interpretation services and sign language training.
Green provides energy efficiency solutions for buildings.
Qadoumi is a company that is helping content creators and consumers around the world to communicate without having to learn a new language.
I wanted to help people, and I have seen that the best way to help people is with software.
So we have 7 semi-final rooms, and we will have 7 finalists. 1 winner from each room. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 GSEA Global Final 7.
Agro360 is a system that, by the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, possibly lead the detection of the diseases that affect the crop.
Moshal applies the circular economic model, reinserting this raw material into the economic market.
A better technology for nylon production, a technology that we now need to scale up to disrupt the chemical industry.
This is just the start of what we're trying to build, which is a global network of connected urban farmers.
And what we aim to do is allow anyone who's interested to grow safe, fresh, and affordable food locally.
Now I am the CEO and I have a team of 70 people working full-time to transform the reality of education in a sustainable and profitable way.
We have a mission to show the world the excellent quality that Guatemala, Covan, has to offer with tea.
Ladies and gentlemen, leaders of EO, welcome to our very first edition of the Global Leadership Awards and dinner.
We do have 3 Chairman's Awards. The EO GSEA Innovation Award, the Sergey Lessons from the Edge Award, and finally the Social Impact Award. And the first place GSEA 2019 winner, the award goes to
Daniela Blanco of US.
Daniela Blanco, USA!
It's a responsibility. There's such amazing people in my country, in Brazil, and such amazing young entrepreneurs and young people doing such a great things. So I feel just honored to represent, in a way, the work that they have been doing for so long.
We have to use this to move bigger. This is not the end. This is just the beginning.
This is to everyone who has a crazy big dream and thinks that they're not going to make it. But here it is. It's possible. We can do it.